Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So today in this video we will check out that update. So to check out the update, you just have to simply go to your settings, and after going into your settings you have to select about phone. And after selecting about phone you have to select software information, and from here Google Play system update. Your device will be on the October 1st, 2024 Google Play System update, and there's this new update available of the 73 MBs of November. This update includes the latest security update from the Google and update now to keep your device safe and improve the stability. To complete the update process, you will have to first download this update. This update is in 73 MBs in size, and you have to simply click on download and install, and the download process will begin. This download process will depend on the speed of your internet connection, and depending on your speed, it will download the update. And once downloaded, you will have to restart your device, but make sure to restart your device when it is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. Also, this installation process might take a while, so you will have to wait patiently over here until the installation process is done. And finally the update is installed, and now you can use your device. As you can see, the phone is now starting. And now if you will check for the new updates, you will get to see that your device will be on the latest November 1st, 2024 Google Play System update. So do check out this update. This is the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and that's all for today's video. This was the new Google Play System update. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates. Also, if you want to check out a side-by-side comparison of the One UI 6 versus the One UI 5, the link will be mentioned in the description, so you can check that out as well.